right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free video update from SeasonalSwingTrader.com. Today is Thursday, August 3rd, 2017. Today's market focus is going to be on the September Euro currency contract, the Euro FX or 6EU7, the September Euro currency. And you can see here, after breaking out of this consolidation, going back to early spring and late spring here, we ran up to the 50% retracement level at the 112.25 level. Pause briefly before notching higher and putting in new highs at 119.40, which was yesterday. We're currently trading at 118.95, so pulling back just a notch. And with this near vertical price move and new highs, we are looking for a potential chart pattern to be put in place, which will be most likely a 1, 2, 3 top pattern. We have a fairly distant left shoulder here that could be a head and shoulders pattern, but we'll be most likely playing a 1, 2, 3 top pattern to form. You see here on the 3 and 5 year price averages, we are due for a possible turn to the downside near the end of the month, early September. The 10 and 15 year price trends also indicate such. If we look at the weekly chart here, you can see after this long-term double bottom posted in 2015 and again in late 2016, we broke out here and are looking to come tag this 120 level. We've got past support here that was put in 2012, and we're also now hitting the 200-day moving average. If we flip over to the monthly chart, you see we've got even past support, which should now become resistance. We've got marks here in 2006, 2010, and again in 2012. So we could see some possible resistance here at the 119 and even more psychological 120 level. So we won't be doing anything right now. We'll wait for a confirmation to confirm the setup, but there are a couple different ways to play a short in the Euro currency. The first and most obvious here is to short the Euro futures contract, which is 6EU7, $12.50 a tick. There's also a micro contract, M6E, so they'd be trading the M6EU7, and it's 1/10 the size of the standard contract. So instead of $12.50 per tick, we're looking at $1.25 per tick. So it's a great contract to trade multiple lots to scale out of the position as it hopefully moves in your favor, and a great way to participate without incurring the risk of a standard contract. Now the Forex traders can trade the Euro/USD cross pairs, so shorting the Euro/US dollar. Stock and ETF and options traders can trade FXE, that's FXE, which is the currency shares ETF, which can be traded by either shorting FXE outright or selling FXE call spreads or purchasing FXE puts or put spreads. And then last but not least are futures options on the Euro currency. So if we pull up a chain on the Euro currency, you can see here what we're looking at. Now, we're not looking to get short today. We're waiting for a top pattern, as mentioned. So we've got highs at 119.40. Assuming this is our number one, we'll want to see the market come back down, put a number 2 in, come back up, and put a number 3 that does not take out these highs of 119.40. So we would be looking at a couple of different scenarios, selling out of the money call spreads up above these levels here, or purchasing at the money or slightly in the money puts or put option spreads. So just to give you an idea of what kind of premium we can expect here at these levels, we're trading at 118.95, as you can see. If we come down here and we're looking at the August weekly contracts, the week 4 contracts in August expiring the 25th. We've got a lot of different strikes to choose from and expirations. We'll look at the end of the month here, and we can see that the 122s right now last traded at 15 ticks. Right now it's 17 by 18, so really tight bid-ask spread, and that is going to give you about $187.50 per contract. Now, we would never recommend selling naked calls. We would always spread this, so depending on where you want to go, on the chart. We would prefer to sell out of the money. The 122s would get you plenty of ways out of the money, almost 300 points. And you can come down here and spread further out of the money. So looking to maybe sell the 122s or perhaps the 121s. If you sold the 121s at, say, you took the mid price here at 32, you could buy the 22s at 18. That would bring you in 14 ticks or 14 points of premium in the euro currency, which is $175 per contract. And as long as the euro currency stays below 121 before at expiration, you get to keep the entire premium. We always recommend buying it back at around 80% or so of premium collected, and then manage your risk appropriately. So if we were to take out the highs here at 119.40, then that would be a sign to exit our call spreads. The other alternative, of course, is buying once we get the confirmation trade. We do have a 1, 2, 3 top. We would look to buy in the money put options, or even maybe slightly out of the money put options, and then look to spread it out down below to reduce our risk. So those are some ideas for you and a chart to be watching. If you want more ideas like this or have questions, feel free to take a trial by clicking the link above, or shoot us an email, support@seasonalswingtrader.com. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.